G'day guys, it's Nate from the Off-Grid shop here. Today we're going to be talking about the colour control screen, which is a Victron product. It's basically the brains of your whole system. It'll show you what's going on. You can set different settings and parameters for your system, and it's basically your one-stop for your whole system, the one thing you'll be looking at the most. Victron has recently released a new product called the Turbo Gx, which comes with a high definition screen, which I really love, but we'll talk about that more later and the difference between this and that. So the first thing we'll be looking at is your battery on your screen. Now this will show you the percentage, how many watts are coming in and out of it, and most importantly it'll show you your battery voltage and how many amps are coming out of it. So your battery voltage is the most accurate reading you'll get for your battery. Sometimes the percentage can go out a slight bit from the actual reading of what it is. So your voltage will be your most accurate reading of what your battery is actually at. So next up we'll be looking at your PV charger. Now that's your MPPT, which is basically panels going straight from the roof charging your batteries directly. So it's an efficient way of charging your batteries. And it'll basically just tell you how many watts are coming in to your battery or how many watts are powering your loads. If you have an AC coupled system, you will also have another tab like this that'll say PV inverter. Now that'll be your other inverter that's coupled to your Victron inverter, and that'll do the same thing. It can charge your batteries, it'll run the loads, and it'll only show up obviously if you've got the other inverter installed. Next up we're going to look at the AC loads. This here is just everything that your Victron is powering, all the loads and power points and lights that you'll be having running. This is showing you how much they're consuming. So this tab here, that's your charger tab. That'll come on when either you have the grid or the generator connected. For our off-grid customers, it'll only come up when you've got your generator running, and it'll show you exactly how much it's producing, and it'll produce enough to charge your batteries and to run whatever loads are running. Alright, so now we'll talk about the big differences between the Colour Control Gx and your Turbo Gx. And most of our old customers will have this installed on their system. Again, this is the brains of your system. Operation-wise, these are the same product, just this one has more ports available. So you can see this one's got pretty much two of everything, 2 V-Directs, 2 USBs and 2 V-Bus, whereas this one's got three USBs, 3 V-Directs and actually only 2 V-Bus. So this one's got more options for a lot more components that you can put in your system. Another great bonus of this one is it's got the option for your high definition screen, which sits flush in your system and in my opinion looks really great compared to the old screen. Nothing wrong with this one, but when you look at this one, you see how it feels, you can notice a difference and see the difference definitely. So both great products and both pretty much do the same thing, but this one has, again, more options and your high definition screen. So at the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to do. Thanks for watching, and to get more information on these products and the installs that we've done, visit the links below to see our website, or just like and subscribe and follow future videos. Cheers.